How to clean a string trimmer fuel filter. String trimmers are a time-saving invention that allows the user to cut weeds and trim grass in a much faster, more convenient, and back-saving way than doing it by hand. String trimmers are relatively easy to use and durable, but they do require regular maintenance. One of these maintenance tasks is cleaning the fuel filter. This simple job can help ensure your trimmer starts and runs well. Things you will need: funnel, gas can, stiff bristle scrub brush, soap and water, compressed air from air compressor or in a can. Place the gas can on a flat, stable surface and insert the funnel. Remove the gas cap from the string trimmer and turn the trimmer over slowly, draining the gas tank into the gas can via the funnel. Locate the rubber fuel line that enters the gas tank and remove it. The fuel filter is located in the end of the fuel line. Remove it also. Scrub the fuel filter with a brush and mild soap and water. Blow out all the excess water with compressed air. Finish drying it with a clean cloth. Replace the filter in the fuel line and reattach the fuel line to the gas tank. Fill the tank with fuel, and you are ready to use a string trimmer.